Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to unpin message in Viber, and now let's dive right in. Now to unpin a message in Viber, first open up your Viber app on your phone. And after opening your Viber app, guys, in order to unpin a message in Viber, open the chat box on which you have pinned the message. Similarly, you can see, guys, on this chat box where there is a pin sign just beside me, there is a pinned and hello option available for us. This is a message I had pinned earlier. Now in order to unpin that particular message, you can see there's a cross sign at the right side of the pin message over here at the top, and in order to unpin it, simply tap on the cross sign at the right side of the pin message over here. Tap on the cross at the top right just below the three dotted icon, and this kind of pop-up box will appear where it says remove pin. This will remove the pin for you, and that person tap on OK, and that message will be unpinned on Viber like this. And with that being said, guys, this is how you will be able to unpin a message in Viber. And guys, this is how to unpin a message in Viber. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.